You know, I love this 6th generation Honda Goldwing. In fact, I think it's the best motorcycle I've ever owned. It's got great styling, it's got tons of power, it handles like a bike half its size, and it's got some really sophisticated electronics. But you know, you learn real quick that when it comes time to maintaining this bike, it can get real expensive. Just a simple oil and filter change at a Honda dealer is going to cost you more than $100. And when it comes time to replace the air filter, you're looking at $350 to $450 or more. The good news is you can do most of these maintenance tasks yourself. Over the last 6 years, I've saved literally thousands of dollars in dealer labor charges. So what if somebody was with you in your garage that knew what they were doing and they were walking you through step by step how to work on your own Honda Goldwing? Well, that's what these 2018 plus Honda Goldwing maintenance videos will do. Literally thousands of 5th and 6th generation Honda Goldwing owners are using my videos in over 35 different countries to work on their own motorcycles. But it's about a lot more than just saving money. It's about making sure that the job gets done right. These videos are going to show you how to perform the maintenance according to the Honda service manual. You don't want to trust your $25,000 or $30,000 motorcycle to a Honda service tech that might be in a hurry because he's got to get the job out the door. There's a lot of service techs out there that may only work on a Honda Goldwing 2 or 3 times a year, if that. Alex Shaw learned that lesson the hard way when he took his brand new Goldwing to his local Honda dealer for the first oil change. And only after 100 miles later did he discover that the service tech had left the oil filler cap off of the engine, spewing oil all over his left shoe. Now, that can not only be harmful to your engine running it without oil, but what if the oil gets on the rear tire and you're in a turn? It could be dangerous too. Now, you're going to get 80 different videos in this series that you can stream in full HD. And if you're not connected to the internet, you can download these videos for viewing offline. You can view these on your iPhone, your iPad, your laptop, or even a smart TV. These videos will literally save you thousands of dollars in dealer labor charges over the life of your motorcycle. You know, I'm not a professional mechanic or a Honda service tech. I'm just like you. So if I can do it, I know you can too. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and order the videos, get out in the garage, and let's get to work.